Hi everybody, welcome back to Busy channel. Thousand salutes to our freedom fighters who gave us freedom. Let's come together and make it more prosperous and happy Republic Day. Yes, in order to honor our freedom fighters, we celebrate Republic Day every year. Kritika of 8th standard from Senai's Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Madanandapuram, is here to deliver a speech on Republic Day. Let's welcome Kritika on behalf of Busy channel.
Hello everyone, I'm R. Kritika of 8th standard from St. Anne's Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Madanandapuram. I would like to thank Busy Educational Channel for giving me this golden opportunity. I'm here to talk about our upcoming national festival, Republic Day. Republic Day of India is celebrated on 26 January every year. It is one of our three national festivals in India. Republic Day holds a lot of significance which keep our Indians together. On 26 January 1950, our constitution came into effect. This year we are going to celebrate the 73rd Republic Day of India. Due to this pandemic, we have been celebrated our special occasion in a simple way, but we used to celebrate our special occasion with big parade which will be held in India Gate at New Delhi. The President Mr. Ramnath Kovind will give awards to brave soldiers and people on this special occasion. Republic Day will be celebrated in schools and colleges with full fun and enthusiasm. Republic Day teaches us to live with unity and peace. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of our constitution. We Indians proudly sing our national anthem on this special occasion. Our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore on 11 December 1911. Our national anthem was first written in Bengali and then it was translated to different languages. Let us celebrate this Republic Day with safe and secure. Thank you. Vande Mataram.
Conclusion. Thank you Kritika for your thought-provoking patriotic speech. Thank you all for watching this video and supporting us. Kindly subscribe our channel and get our useful educational based videos immediately. Thank you.